Sheesh! I started a new video. Whew. You did not know what I went through. Unless I post our last video. That's what y'all see. And I see. That's how big it is. Like in real life. What's going on over there? I'm recording. Yeah, technical difficult. Yeah, it's paused. Sure. Wow. No, I did not pause it. If you're watching this video, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's pretty funny. Oh, you should watch the entire video. Keep going, keep going. You got this. It's still paused. So, yeah. Sorry if you don't make any shots. Oh, nice. I thought, bro, I thought I hit you. What? Bro, what? Huh. That was going wild. What the slip, bro? Can't, yeah,
Ow. DJ, you made me fall again. What? No, it's spitting.
Yeah, that was in there. Yeah. Wait, play that again?
You just called me ugly. But that's not even technically possible. Because you're uglier than me.
Get roasted! Bro, what? I forgot to say this going up on YouTube because it's way too long for a short. Same thing with all the other things. Well, I unpaused it technically. Bro went over there. Yo, what's up? What's up? Get roasted. Yeah. So you're the camera. That's the light. What are these other two? Like games and stuff? Make smoke. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Oh. Alright. Still recording though. Bro's just taking a break. It's windy out here, so if there's messed up audio, you know why. It's windy. Yeah, put down your phone. You never know what could happen to it.
Reach on. Ready? I'm about to.
Alright. Alright, she going. Oh, it's so close. Bro, did you make it?
Yeah.
Nice. Bro said I'm finna end this basket's whole career. Like, shit. Yo, hold up. What if I do... Bro, can you give me a rock from over there?
What?
So I can hit some shots. Alright. Oh, you almost broke the backboard. You're on a rock, so that's why it's far. Don't mess up the video recording. So, I call this the spin of balls. I spin the ball. I made that. Oh. You make it. Yeah. I don't know if I did it. I'm gonna go back to my footage and see if I made that shot. I heard it bounce off.
Oh, I want to play Pokemon Go.
Mr. Beast videos be like, if he makes it like that, he gets like,
Wait, Joe, go on Pokemon Go.
Huh?
Hop on Pokemon Go.
what?
Hop on Pokemon Go.
You have it?
Yeah, I was just asking because I want to see if you can add me.
Yeah, we could add each other.
Yeah. I was gonna ask to download it. I'm about to go back inside. Anyways.
Did I make it?
No.
Oh, careful.
Wanna go rock hunting?
Rock hunting?
Yeah.
For Dwayne Johnson?
Um,
Oh, you mean like actual rock hunting? Sure, let's go.
No, hold on. I wanna
Wanna what?
ask if I can download Pokemon Go real quick so on the way rock hunting. Let me text my friend Angela. I'm going to rock country.
Bro, imagine this one's actually a rock. Like, oh look, I found a nice rock. Bro, imagine. Mr. Beast's videos be like, imagine that. Ready? Once I make this shot, I'm in the video.
Alright, come on. I'm about to go.
Huh?
I'm about to go rock country.
Alright, hold on. Wait for me. We call him Mini Godzilla. And in the video here, it's been like 30-some minutes. Plus, it's been 12 minutes. Okay. Peace. See you guys later. Make sure to subscribe. Follow me. No. That's TikTok. No. Subscribe, like, and I'll post weekly, monthly, yearly uploads. Peace.